Yo, we are adding some fog lights in the Dodge. Bought some cheap eBay kits. We bought a cut your bumper and mount and some hang down bracket ones. We have some Chinese stainless coated hardware. These are absolutely terrible how they're mocked up. There's a little notch out in there for the nut, but the nuts don't fit in there right. There's no way to actually hold the washer and feed it down. You can't do it with a magnet. You can try to pinch it with a flathead and go down, but it's a pain in the ass. Allens that go through here, they come with a lock and a flat washer. Yeah, you can't put the flat washer on here because it doesn't fit in that hole. So yeah, we did a little modding. Show you what we did. Alright, we are going to use some 6mm nuts that I had over there in my metric nut drawer. It's the typical, anything that 10mm wrench is normally a 6mm bolt or nut. So yeah, this screws into here. This is gonna slide down. Oops. Slide down and fit right in that notch. So we're gonna be able to mount this up here. Put the two nuts in here and then align it instead of trying to do many other things. So yeah, where I mounted it is right over the tab. Front bumper. Here's the tab. There's already a notch in the chrome metal bumper part. So I got some mini dikes and a notch, maybe a 1/4 inch or less out of each side. And not this one, but and then I'm going to stick a pop rivet up each side and a washer. And there's a rivet gun. Yeah, we're gonna pop rivet it. And then I'll show you how to mount it. It's super secure. This baby ain't going nowhere. We notched out with the side cutters, aka dikes, just a little bit of this plastic here, enough for a rivet on each side. And this one we're going to angle the bracket rearwards, backwards, whatever. So yeah, push this down with your fingertip. I think it helps you trim it. You're going to hook this through. I'm using some aluminum pop rivets with the flat washer. You guys can rent one of these probably from any auto parts store or just buy a little $15 hand rivet gun. Okay, so that's how we're gonna mount it. Yeah. Ooh, hello there. Chrome. All right, I'm just gonna throw the nuts in here. skinny flathead, some blue Loctite, maybe a couple drops left in here. Okay, we have the nuts dropped in there. Put a drop of blue Loctite on the end and the lock washer. That's how much I don't like my fog lights coming loose. Route the wire through the hole. Make sure you keep it angled down so the nuts don't roll out. Then yeah, just grab a skinny flathead. And yeah, line it up. Grab the Allens, line them up on each side and tighten them up. Okay, we got them started. Run these in. Once they start getting a little snug, gonna start putting it where you want it. Comes with this little cheese ball Allen wrench that'll work. Snug one side, do the other. Perfect size. And that's how you do it. Flip this off, snug these both up before that Loctite dries. Apply power to them, make sure that they're both level. Flip the lights off. And if I need to do any adjustments, I like to do them within like 5 or 10 minutes of that Loctite. And leave it alone. You can kind of get them snug and pair them. Eyeball them for now. Alright, we'll tighten them up. Another pop rivet use. This bad boy always comes up, you know, and this thing comes out and you're driving and it's flapping. Tabs normally broke off. This rolls out, so you can't really pop rivet it because it will either pull it in. Normally it'll pull it in, break the plastic. This is flat up here, so you can drill it, pop rivet it a couple times if you wanted. So yeah, it's way better. Bonus. Buy some cheap eBay headlights, throw those bad boys in. You can just push this down a little bit and slide them in and out without changing your bumper. Alright, still doing a little wiring. We ran 2 wires from here to here, attached it to here, ran 2 wires over. Those 2 wires are going to attach to the relay. You need a relay, every load you add. Here's a relay, of course pop riveted. This one goes to the switch and the dash. This one goes to the battery and a negative. This one goes down to the load, which in this case is the lights. Somebody already clipped off the nice end on it, so we'll put some butt connectors on. Alright, my last series of videos was on my old phone, which was out of memory. So we'll finish this video out. Truck is still in test mode where I haven't mounted anything. We mounted the fog light switch right down here. Pretty simple. Of course, these are cheap crap from eBay. This one's already got moisture in it. It's been like a week. Pretty sad.